Hello, welcome back to another episode of AG Engineering. Thank you to all those that have watched the episodes so far. Thank you to the subscribers and the new subscribers recently. I've had some favourable comments and it's going very well. Thank you to everybody. This episode I've got I think it's a C15. I'm not brilliant at recognising my classic stuff that I haven't got. C15 or B40 cylinder head. Obvious fault there, broken fin. Somebody's had a go, see the edge of that one there, with some glue. Yeah, that was always going to work, wasn't it? So task is to weld it back on and dress it up, simple as that. First off, I'll go and give this a scrub up in the parts washer, get the bulk of the gunge off from the outside, and then we'll come back and give it a wire brushing and see where we are. So over to the parts washer. The downside of this is I use paraffin in my parts washer. Obviously that's going to soak into the aluminium. I have to warm everything up to get it out of the material prior to welding, but we'll get there. Try and get that glue off the edge. Get this dried off and then get wire brushing it. In a while at the other bench. Right, now it's had a bit of a clean, and give the bits a bit of a wire brushing. The underside of this one's particularly poor. unfortunately I can't get into the underside of the fins very well, so what I'm going to do is V out across the top and on that one with the grinder, and then we'll get to the bottom for the weld penetration. I'm going to get the grinder set up. Okay, we'll try and V out on the top there. And leave enough on to still give me a location. There's a little bit sticking out there that gives me an index point. I can go a little bit deeper on that part though. Not too bad. Difficulty with holding a tapered piece. Right, the next problem is how to support the piece while it's welded. I was thinking of trying to get some stainless plate under there and clamp to that. Let's see what we can do with that. Awkward. There's not enough room there to support the fin, so okay, can we do it that way? That's not too bad. I think if I can I'll just flatten these couple of bits of plate out and just nib out a couple of areas so they sit right in. Then we should be able to support it on two pieces. So there we go. Something like that. And something like that. I will just get it in that a little bit further. possibly even a little bit more than that. Right, I'll be back when I've cut these out. This piece is just a little bit bowed, so I've just got to try and straighten it out of it. I'll just warm it up a bit and then press it down. So the old trick with straightening aluminium used to be to rub it with a little bit of soap until the soap just went brown. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Just clamp it sufficiently just on the corners there. Quite get in there. That's it, I think we've got it. I think I've got it in position there as best as I'm going to do. Right, I'll set up for welding at that and get some tacks on it and then see what it looks like. That weld's nice. Certainly different to the Gold Star crankcase. What the difference is. Just up the post flow a little bit there. I think we've just about got enough on there. That went very well actually. Very pleased with that. We've got good penetration on the underside without making big blobs to have to grind off. And I'll probably just put a little tad more on there actually, just to build that up. Now it's gone off a little bit. So that couple little plates with a little taper wedge just gives you a nice little surface to work onto. So we'll let that cool, and we'll come back in a bit and clean it up, see what it looks like. See you in a little while. Right, I've cooled down enough now just to hand hold. I've got it held in the bench with some screws just dogged in there so it doesn't slide about. I'll just carefully take some of this top material off, excess material off. too bad, still a little bit proud, so so like that, the power cut there. Just briefly, I'm just uploading another YouTube video, so I just went to check the router. Wrap, as they say. I'll just take them screws out. There's a little bit of excess underneath, but the lad whose cylinder head it is can fettle it to his heart's content. However, however good he wants it, really. That's it. Job done. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.